doing slow cooker peanut chicken. And then we're gonna do some coconut rice with it when we get home. In the slow cooker, I'm gonna put about 1 to 2 pounds of chicken thighs. You could do chicken breasts, you could do chicken tenders, you can do whatever kind of chicken you have in your house. This is dairy free. There's no condensed soups and there's no cream cheese. Now we need a little mixing bowl here. We're gonna do a cup of peanut butter. You wanna add about a cup of coconut milk. You wanna shake it up first because you wanna break up any like the solid stuff at the top. I really like the Trader Joe's coconut milk. It's good. 1 cup. You can save the rest. We'll use that for some coconut rice. Use it. About 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Fresh if you have it. If not, bottle is okay. 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. A 1/2 cup of soy. Tablespoon of sesame oil, about a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I'm gonna like scrape off the bottom of what I have in here. I'm gonna add a couple of these. I have these frozen crushed ginger little pods. So I'm gonna put a couple of those in. Some garlic, about 3 cloves. I'm just gonna do a spoonful. And then just like a 1/2 cup of water or chicken broth, whatever you have. I'm just gonna use water. I want to make sure this is mixed up and really good, so I'm going to use a whisk. Peanut sauce is all mixed up. We're going to pour it right over the chicken in the slow cooker. This is going to be very saucy. All right, we're going to throw the top on this and I'm going to cook it on low for 6 hours. All right, we're getting ready to go. Slow cooker's on. Peanut chicken is cooking. We are home. Our chicken is done. I'm going to give it a little bit of a stir and kind of like break up some of the pieces. You can shred the chicken if you want. I'm not going to. I'm just gonna kind of like break it up a little bit because I do want some like bigger pieces. The sauce turned nice and thick. We've got our coconut rice going. I'll put a like little right here. This is the recipe for the coconut rice and I do have a video of that posted. Rice. We're gonna put our bowls together. Some crushed peanuts, sliced scallions, green onions. Look at these. I got these at the farmer's market at work today. Aren't they crazy? Some sesame seeds. I also made like some like sliced cucumbers to put on the side. 1 sliced cucumber, some rice wine vinegar, honey, chili, like the chili crunch oil, sesame oil, and just stirred it up. Oh, and a little salt. Coconut rice, chicken, some extra peanuts, scallions, sesame seeds. All right, now let's go sit on the deck and take a taste test. This is so good. I know like some people might be like, oh, it's like a little coagulated. Don't let that discourage you because this tastes amazing. This would be so good over pad thai noodles and the coconut rice with this. I liked the Caribbean jerk. This is a top contender for sure. If you want this recipe delivered right to your email, you have to go to the link in my bio and sign up for my mailing list. It's also going to be posted on the website. Let me know if you make this. It's delicious. It is the perfect no sweat summer dinner. Enjoy.